Alright, here we have a computer. Now when I think of a computer, I think of the whole system. But the computer is actually just the tower in this case. And it's made up of several components. It has a CPU, the brains of the computer, or central processing unit. It has a power supply. It has a program loader, where you can load the program in. And it has inputs such as a keyboard and mouse, and an output such as a monitor. But there's other types of outputs you can add to the computer, such as this one here. It's meant to help us learn how to do electrical, and it's an interactive component that can interact between the computer and that unit. And if we come over here, we can see another computer. Now this computer here is an entertainment computer, and it has the same things. It has your power supply, your central processing unit or CPU. It has a place to load your program, and it also has an input. In this case it's a little bit different, a controller, and your output is the TV monitor. I'd like to bring you over to another type of computer. This computer is a program logic controller. And we can see here that we have power supply. In this case it's 120 volts. We have our program loader, which you can set up through an Ethernet, and you plug it into a computer. And it has your inputs and outputs. In this case, the input here is the push button, and the output is this light bulb. So you can see when I push it in, the light does not come on right away, but the input shows it's on. And it's timed in here to come on. And that's the nice thing about a PLC, is you can program it. Now if I want, I don't need to change the wiring in here. I can go in, take my laptop, communicate with the PLC, and change the timing if I want. Alright, this is where PLCs get really exciting, because now you can take your program and you can do something really cool, like a traffic light. And we have a basic traffic light set up, and we have it set up with relays, just like you would normally. But in this case, if I want to change and say I want to put an advanced screen on here, or make the timing a little bit different, I don't need to rewire the whole system or change a bunch of relays. I can just change the program.